Yes, people, Hartman Adventures again. Touch the road again. Give you a little backstory. They home today to scale some fish cause we got yesterday. Was not the most fruitful day, but yeah, wife is still hook up and bring home dinner. She catch a whiting and she get a long jaw. So this morning me the home and me I scale some fish, and Uncle Bertie called me and said, yo, find a new spot, you know, nice and clear. So I go on there and me I throw me lure this morning, hook up on a barra, hook up on a long jaw, and another one, never remember what him say name, but that one they get what him say. So him call me and same time I say, alright Uncle Bert, and I say nothing, I wash out my thing them, and once them dry, I come give a link. So right now I head out to go link with Uncle Bertie, see if we can hook up onto barra or something this evening. So throw some bait in my pan. I have some bait from yesterday, I put them in my freezer. So put them in my pan. Hopefully I can do some drop line just the same. Me and the family I roll out again. We there at chill and we eat some jackfruit seed and thing. Why for that still? But yeah, we eat some jackfruit seed. Just boil it and salt it, and then we go and chill. So it's our driving snack for now. But we are touch out, we are going to do some fishing. So when we reach, I'm going to pick up Uncle Bertie. Alright, Ellie wants her breakfast. I don't know where Ellie getting breakfast now, but it's dinner time and Ellie wants breakfast. So, but anyway people, as I said, once we pick up Uncle Bertie, we'll head out on the spot, see what we can catch this evening. So until we reach there, Hartman Adventures out. Yes people, just reach and park up the vehicle, link up with Uncle Bertie. Ellie, you see Ellie I travel with her rod, wife in front, and Dunga come round there. So we have the things them, man. Have the things them. Just need to get past here so and go a little bit closer down there, so cause Uncle Bertie say borrow them down there and move away. So I have to go try hook up on one this evening. Right. Skip cross, yeah, so. Water look clear. Nice water for casting. Ellie, what you doing? You going fishing? You going fishing? Come show us your rod. Show daddy your rod. Yes.
Hey.
So yeah people, can see quite a few people down there fishing already. So once me reach and set up, then we can once me reach and set up, then we can turn on back the video and you guys can see what I go on. So just stay tuned people. Hartman Adventures there again, some evening fishing. Yeah. Just reach on the location. You can see Dunga all the way down there, so I'm do some casting. Dunga all the way down there, so Uncle Bertie has set up. Me have my first line out, piece of cut bait, the punny. And now Let's see if I can tie up a line for Ellie. So, yeah, just reach people. Soon as we hook up, we get back to you. Come real. Hold it right here.
I got a seaweed.
You have seaweed. Real, 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 real. You have some seaweed? Let me help you. Come, real. Yeah, you have some seaweed. So guys, check this out. I left something like here. Go and come back. What if you catch lane snapper? No long she a chase one. Yeah. Holy Uncle Bertie. What that? Fish on, people, fish on. Uncle Bertie at them. Where am I going with Uncle Bertie? Am I going good? Yeah. Yes, man. Feel like stingray? Me gaff. Alright, me go feed gaff and come. Uncle Bertie, me have a thing there, no? Me have a gaff, you know? Me have a gaff, me have the net. Don't go away like that. No. Hold on. Me set up in it. Oh, see? See the right out in there, so. A sting, you know? A sting, man. A stingray. In the pan in back. See me, Bertie, carry me. Hold on. Me move out the line. You can carry him back to me. Fish on, people. I don't have a gaff in a gaff. I think I put in a car this evening. You don't want to. I ain't gone again. Oh, see me. You can't hold in it, man. It's too big, man. It's too big. No, I lead that they cut me, man. I have on a braid. Hold on. No, we can't hold the braid, man. You cut. See sun right that's up. Alright, carry him up. You can't hold anything, you know, Bertie. Hold on, I'm going to try to hold the leader. Let me try to hold the leader. I pray you have on for the lead, brother. I pray you have on for the lead.
No, right.
Oh. Hold on, me move out and wait. Alright, hold this up. Hold in it. He cut it up, bombard, Bertie. He cut it, man.
You got no hook?
Yeah. I think me see him move off, he gone out so. Yeah. Alright people. Stingray, big stingray just like. We come in close enough but we never know gaff to take him out. But good work Uncle Bertie. Fish on! As soon as the line hit the water. And this not feel like a stingray. Fish on! Bring it light come. And the net. See net right here so, Jack. Yeah.
Get one. Yeah.
Jack.
Good boy. You doing that one? I feel me, I doing that come so. And it touch the water.
Yeah.
Massive.
Nice Jack, man. Nice Jack.
I see him, I say I drop, but a younger one.
A younger one, yeah. See him there? About 2 pounds. As soon as the bait hit the water, him pick it up so. Alright, this line here, I get a bite again, but it not run yet, so I give it a little bit. Fish on.
Huh?
In there? I'm gone, you know? I'm gone, man. I'm gone. I'm gone, man. Almost. Yes, people. So that's it for the night. Got one jack, probably about 2 pounds, 2.5 pounds, and wifey get a snapper. Not too big, but good enough size. Can make dinner for one person. But yeah, that was it. Biggest fight for the night was Uncle Bertie hook up for one of them big stingray there. But that's it, packing up and going home now. So thanks for watching the video again. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. You know, your boy Hartman Adventures out again.